Fiona with WTI, and I want to show you a really fun game for your next game night. It's called Danger Noodle. It's super easy to learn, the gameplay is very fast, and it's really funny. Let me show you how it's played. So the object of the game is to get exactly 30 points. So on my turn, I can draw as many cards as I want until I get a negative. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 10, there's 5. So now might be a good time to stop, but I'm going to take one more, and there's a negative. So that would end my turn, and the play would continue around, and then when it comes back to me, I take again. Oh, there's a Danger Noodle, so that means I have to get rid of all of my cards. And then there's also action cards that could let you see the next 5 cards, get rid of one of your cards, get rid of one of your opponent's cards, or give one of your negative cards to someone else. And then there's the super special card, the anti-venom. This one protects you from the next 3 Danger Noodle cards, and there's only one of these in the whole deck. That sounds really good, but remember, you have to get exactly 30 points to win. So if you have a lot of negative cards, this could play against you. And I love that all of the cards have such funny names, like Formal Chicken, Velocirabbit, Catbird, and Pantless Thunder Goose. The game also comes with a link so you could watch some video instructions to really learn how to play it in detail. So all in all, I think this game is perfect for your next family game night, and that's just my point of view.